बहुत गर्मी है यार, बहुत गर्मी।
Yes, so finally we have reached Manpa and we have ordered for a couple of glasses over there. You can see there. It's Usaros in Konkani, sugarcane juice in English. So the Friendship Garden destination is around 4 kilometers from here. So
Manpa.
From Manpa. See you there then. If you're not having this sugarcane juice in summers, you're missing almost everything.
It's too hot, man. It's around 33 degrees.
No, around 33. It is 33.
It is hell 33 degrees and we are roasting. We are waiting for the bus. पहले हमको एक जगह जाना है। चलो
आगे आगे बस आगे बस।
चलो बस आ चुकी है। हम उतर गए क्योंकि हम गलत बस में बैठ गए थे। अभी हम ओला से जाएंगे। लेट्स वेट फॉर द ओला। सी यू। So guys,
कैसे दो बस थी जिसने हमको धक्का मार के बाहर निकाला। बटवा मारा था जो हमने।
बटवा तो नहीं मारा था यार, थप्पड़ पड़ गए। सैंडल लड़कियों के बीच में घुस गए थे, सैंडल पड़ गए, फिर हमको बाहर निकाल दिया। Just kidding.
Everybody knew this place as Pune Deshpande's garden. That I will or we will intimate you about why it is called as Pune Deshpande और why it is Okayama. So yes, अभी मस्त पेट भरा है, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे सब कुछ मस्त खत्म किया है पी के। तो
अभी टाइम हो रहा है 3:46 और 4 बजे गार्डन खुलेगा, तो देखते हैं कुछ अच्छा शॉट उठाते हैं आप लोगों के लिए।
अब मुझे अभी डर ही लग रहा है कि बाहर 33 डिग्री सेल्सियस है।
अभी हम यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हैं,
में अभी हम बैठे हुए थे, पर अभी बाहर जाना पड़ेगा। दैट इज़ द ग्रेटेस्ट फियर इन माई माइंड नाउ। और बाहर जाके शूट करने वाला था, दैट इज़ नॉट अ बिग इशू। हेलो, वन मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन for the people who don't know, the park starts at 6 AM till 10 AM in the morning, and in the evening it's 4 till 8 PM in the evening. You see the gates are still closed down there, and with other people we are waiting here. This is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves. What you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. This is what you came Alright, hello people from a beautiful place, Friendship Garden. So I'm basically confused of what to be said of this garden. So there are three different names of this place. First is your Yokohama Garden. Now why Yokohama Garden? Because this garden is inspired by a very beautiful garden in Japan that's named Yokohama, which was established in 17th century. So it's been 300 years ago the garden was established. Now we have same place been inspired. Second name, Pune Deshpande Garden, which everybody in Maharashtra knows by, because by the time we told them we want to go for a friendship garden, these people were like, where is this place? But when I told them that if we guys want to go at Pune Deshpande Garden, these guys were very happy. I see smiles on their faces. By the way, Pune Deshpande, the long form of Pune Deshpande is Purushottam Lakshman Deshpande, who has been fabulous in poetry and dramatist. He has given great contribution to the certain industries. Third name of this beautiful garden is a Friendship Garden. I still don't know why this place is called as Friendship Garden, because I don't seem to see friendship here, but something else which I cannot show to you. So stay tuned for good things.